Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Down. Don't ever do that in your life, but down. So today I decided to do video ideas for YouTubers. It could be small YouTubers, it could be big YouTuber, it could be any YouTuber. You could just take your ideas. I'm really giving it to you so you can have it. So I just sat down and I came up with a list of video ideas, and I thought, wow, I thought about I could just offer it to you guys. Why be stingy with my ideas, with my smarts, with my creativity? What you talking about, Willis? And I give it to you guys. And all these videos that I have listed down are videos that will help you blow up. And of course, when you blow up, you most likely to get subscribers, so it go hand in hand. And these videos are lit, like that light behind you guys. Let's get started. Wait, before we start this video, I forgot to ask you to do one thing, and one thing only, is to subscribe. It's free, and we're not gonna start until you subscribe. I'm not gonna help you out if you're not willing to help me out, so subscribe. Okay, are you done? Are you done? I'm just kidding, but subscribe. Okay, let's get to the video. It's a mukbang, right? A mukbang, you could talk about anything in the mukbang. You could talk about your life. You could talk about what happened to you that day. You could talk about what happened to you when you went to get that food. Q&A, college advice for freshmen, things guys do that annoy girls, things girls do that annoy other girls, or you could do it vice versa. So if you're a boy, it could be things girls do that annoys guys, and things guys do that annoys other guys. We talk about trendy things that are ugly, or you feel like that shouldn't be trendy at all. Unpopular opinions. Try not to laugh, or try not to cry. Your current Afrobeat playlist, or your current summer playlist. I know that's more universal. Sponsorships that you would love to have. Lowest review hair salon or no salon, or any salon, a makeup shop. Lowest review of any of those things. People really like that video. It seems like that's the new popular stuff that's going on now. 5-minute makeup challenge. That's a perfect one to do a collab with a person. You could do a bucket list, things you want to achieve this summer, things you want to achieve in the next 5 years, things you want to achieve tomorrow. You could do a recreating a celebrity's makeup look, recreating a Pinterest photo, Pinterest, trying haul, clothing haul, things you find on Pinterest, best reviewed salon. You can do a makeup collection if you have a lot of makeup. Shoe collection, recreating blank makeup tutorial. So it could be recreating Jackie Aina's makeup tutorial, recreating James Charles makeup tutorial. You could do recreating blank hair tutorial. Do lyrics pranks on boyfriend, on girlfriend, or if you're just lonely, you could do just recreating a lyrics prank on the friend. My sibling does my makeup. I did that. I think that was my last video. Go watch it. You could do vlog, travel routine. I personally don't have a travel routine because I hardly travel. So if anything, I'll be watching other people's travel routine, and that could be you. Get ready with me. Anything you're getting ready for. Tips for shopping online. There's some cheap online stores. I have that video. Expensive clothing haul. I know most of us are broke. I'm broke, so I just like watching those just to see, wow, there are people out there who's actually living good, and I'm not one of them. Yeah. Patricia Bright, she goes shopping a lot. She spends a lot of money. Cheap clothing hauls, like AliExpress clothing haul or Shein clothing haul, like those cheap clothing hauls. That's my area right there. That I do that too. I just did a AliExpress clothing haul, go watch that too. And remember, the clothing hauls has to be try on haul. It's more fun when people can see you in the clothes. They don't want to just sit there and just see you putting clothes up like this. It's so boring. Make sure to put them on. They want to see on a real body to see if they really want to buy it. Story time. You do a story time about anything. A hair tutorial. You could just make up your own hair tutorial, like a style you think you haven't seen on YouTube yet. Put that on, or even a style you've seen on YouTube. You just feel like you have a different texture of hair that will make it a little bit harder to do. You could teach somebody how to do that with the same hair texture as you. A lookbook, how to style a blank. You could do how to style shoes, or I have a video on how to style Vans. You could do high school advice, which I'm not in high school anymore. I've been out of high school for 3 years now. Yes, I'm old. Song reactions or video reaction. You could review hair or hair product. Do a blindfold makeup challenge. You could do a house tour. You could do an apartment tour. If you're a college student, you could do a dorm room tour, which that's what I'm gonna do. Things I wish I knew at blank age. Say things I wish I knew before I turned 21. You could do things I wish I knew in high school, or things I wish I knew in my teens. How to be confident. You could just teach self-love. A lot of people like that. I even watch that sometimes because every once in a while, it doesn't matter how confident you are, every once in a while you need a little kick. You need a little uplift to remember how late you are. How to make thumbnails. Those are really good. You could do how to make an intro video, or how to edit my video. You could do a skincare routine. You could do dyeing my hair. I really want to dye my hair, but I have these braids in right now. A sibling tag, a roommate tag. If you're in college, you can tag your roommate, or if you just live in an apartment and you have a roommate, you could do that too. People like to see what's going on in your real life outside of YouTube. Letting the person had them order for me. You do monthly favorites. And people like videos that they could get something out of. You do trying everything in my closet. You do how to grow your channel, how to grow your hair fast, how to lose weight fast, how to gain weight fast, how to get rid of acne fast, how to glow up for the summer. I know it's the summertime. People want to look like baddies, Instagram models. So, and also how to glow up for back to school. A boyfriend tag, if you have a boyfriend, or just a friend tag for lonely people in the back. Do birthday gifts idea. You could do Christmas gifts idea. You could do my first YouTube check, which I can't wait to do that video. I don't have my first YouTube check yet, but I'm gonna speak it into existence. It's gonna happen, and you guys gonna see it, and I'm gonna be official. You could do I spend a blank amount of money at blank, like most people do. I spend $300 at Fashion Nova. I spend $500 at AliExpress. I spend $600 at Shein. You do how to make money on YouTube, like tips and tricks that you did that to help you either get your channel monetized, or sponsorships that you're able to obtain because of YouTube. Do how to start a business. Any business. Like people, like I said, people like to watch videos that can help them, that they can get something out of. So if you already made your business, you could like give them tips of how they can start their business, how to start an online business, because I know that's a new thing right now. A lot of Instagram boutiques, stuff like that, and you could just teach somebody, walk somebody through of how to start their own online business. And I think that's it. So guys, that was all for this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, whatever makes you happy, and oh, it's free, so subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.